Hi everyone! Today we're going to be doing a work called Tracing Birds. First, you need to print out the Tracing Bird papers from the website. You have 5 different birds that you can choose from. Then you need to print or pull up the bird color guide that you can use to help you color in your bird the just right colors. Today I decided that I would like to draw a crow. A crow is black as night, and it makes a very amazing cawing sound. So that's what made me choose. I'm going to start by tracing on the dotted lines. I'm going all the way down his wing. Now the feathers on his wing. Now I'm going to be tracing his back and his tail, the rest of his tail feathers underneath. His legs, his talons, or claws. Now his eye and his beak. Make sure I'm going to look over and make sure that I didn't forget any lines when I was tracing. Now I want to look at my bird guide and see what color he is. He's mostly black. He has a tiny bit of brown on his shoulder, but other than that, he's totally black. So I'm going to shade in my crow black. If I were coloring a hummingbird, if I were tracing a hummingbird and coloring, what colors would I use? Green and blue. If I were tracing a cardinal, red. Make sure you take your time when you're coloring. You also might want to color in the word crow. And that, my friends, is tracing a bird. Have fun!